Also want to bring, though, into this conversation right now, as we get into this, Opendoor's co-founder and CEO Eric Wu. Eric, welcome, and thanks for joining the program sort of in progress now that we're in the midst of this news. Let me ask Eric this first, and then I'm going to go back to Chamath. Eric, why pursue a SPAC with Chamath as opposed to an IPO? Because I think one of the big questions about this entire SPAC cycle is the thought process involved in that.
Yeah, Andrew, I appreciate you having me and excited to announce that we're partnering with Chamath and Social Capital to take the company public. We always believed that one of our long-term goals was to be a successful, independent public company. And originally, a SPAC wasn't the route we wanted to take, but a couple things that really drew us to this path. One was speed to market, right? We wanted to focus the management team on building the best product and the best business as opposed to distracting the company on taking the company public. And the second is Chamath is fundamentally a technology investor. He's an operator. He believes in building organizations the right way for the long haul, and that really aligned with our vision of how to build Opendoor.
You're talking about COVID and this pandemic and how that's actually changed the environment for your company. I'm curious what you think happens after a vaccine. Does that change the future to you at all when it comes to this issue?
Well, I think it's important to acknowledge what's happening today, which is, one, consumers are choosing digital experiences first, right? And so that's happening at accelerating rates. And then two, as Chamath mentioned, Americans are on the move, right? People are moving to less dense areas. There's de-urbanization happening for the first time in 100 years. And that's creating extremely strong tailwinds for the housing market, and in particular, the markets that we operate in. I think post-COVID, I think the behavior is here to stay. I think people want digital-first experiences. And really what we're trying to do is make the buying and selling of a home simple, instant, and online.
We had Robert Revkin on the other day from Compass. And I'm curious, long-term, whether you think, for Opendoor's sake, that you would end up buying other businesses. I was thinking of Compass because you have the same backer in SoftBank for both. But in terms of how you're thinking about what you do with this money, how you expand your business, do you end up rolling up other businesses? What does that look like, Eric?
Well, we're using the capital to do two things. One is to accelerate our market share. And so we want to demonstrate leadership in growth. And the other is to invest in new products. The vision for the company is to build a one-stop shop that's digital and online to buy and sell a home. And so those are the two areas we're going to invest in with this capital. It's not really a roll-up strategy for us. We want to be vertically integrated, building the best experience at the lowest possible cost.